Are you a product manager or are you part of a product team? When working on a product epic or initiative, there are three key phases to consider. 1. Define. 2. Map. And 3. Launch. You can see those three phases here. These are the fundamental phases and you can add more to it. First, let's go over the define phase. This phase involves defining the problem, requirements, and user flows while considering all relevant use cases. Start by evaluating similar products or competitors to identify key features they offer. Decide where you want your product to stand in the market. In other words, how do you aim to lead or differentiate your product or feature? Use these evaluations to shape the problem statement and start writing the user stories. You will do that by following the epic or initiative canvas. Then if the feature or initiative is complex, you may want to continue with a user story mapping exercise. This can be helpful here to outline each step, assess requirements, and prioritize some of the features for the first launch, helping you reduce the scope. Also helps you identify how you could validate your hypothesis and the result. You will probably have multiple discussions with stakeholders to evaluate different use cases, explore other ideas, and gather feedback. You can add those stakeholder sessions here, like this stakeholder feedback session or stakeholder requirements session. Now let's move to the next phase. This one is often known as the mapping phase or the design phase. You map out the process and design the solution. Start by brainstorming multiple approaches and consider running a design sprint or a crazy 8 session, where designers generate at least 8 different solutions to ensure they don't settle on the first idea. As the design process unfolds, conduct feedback sessions and approval requests to refine and validate ideas before finalizing designs. During this phase, designers will be using other tools like Figma or Adobe, but ideally they start with discussions and creating a few sketches. Then finally, the launch phase. The final phase focuses on planning the launch. So think about what needs to be communicated, how to ensure user success, and ways the business can benefit and grow. This phase may include preparing training materials, marketing content, and user support to create a seamless rollout. Collaborate with a product marketer or the marketing team to discuss the best action plan and share all this information with them. Then together identify which tasks have to get done before the launch. Add your tasks here. These steps provide a structured approach to launching a successful product. Let's go back to the overall workflow. Follow this workflow and adapt as necessary with stakeholder discussions, feedback sessions, and adjustments. You can even manage team retros right from here, just like this. With these phases in mind, you're equipped to bring your product vision to life. The best part is that knowledge is shared, nurturing the entire team and guiding all decisions. This space is designed to manage decisions, keeping them stored and accessible whenever stakeholders need them. It's especially valuable as a space where discussions and decisions have due dates, ensuring that the brainstorming phase doesn't drag on indefinitely. Additionally, stakeholders are held accountable for providing feedback and approving items on time. Follow us for more tips or visit Nova.